In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social links on Squarespace. If you want to make it easy for visitors to find your social media profiles, Squarespace gives you a simple way to do that directly inside your page editor. We'll be adding a social links block and then connecting it to your profiles so the icons appear neatly on your site. To begin, open the page or section where you want the social icons to appear. Once you're in editing mode, click Add Block. This is where you can insert new content elements into your page layout. If you're placing social links in a footer, sidebar, or contact area, this can be especially useful because visitors usually expect to find them there. After clicking Add Block, type social into the search bar. This helps narrow down the available block options so you can quickly find the one you need without scrolling through the full list. Squarespace offers a variety of blocks, so using search is the fastest route here. When the results appear, click Social Links. This will insert the social links block into your page. At this stage, you may already see placeholder icons or a basic layout depending on your template and settings. Don't worry, if it doesn't look perfect yet, you'll customize it next. Now click the pencil icon on the block. This opens the editing panel for the social links block, where you can manage which platforms are shown and what links they point to. This is the main settings area for configuring your icons. Inside the editor, click the Instagram icon. Once selected, paste your Instagram profile link into the appropriate field. Make sure you paste the full correct URL so visitors are directed to the right account. It's a good idea to double check for typos before moving on. Then repeat the same process for Facebook and X. Select each platform, paste in the correct link, and confirm that everything is entered properly. The key here is consistency. Each icon should connect directly to the matching social profile. Once your links are added, take a quick moment to review the block. Make sure the icons displayed are the ones you want and that each link is correct. This small check can save time later and helps ensure your visitors have a smooth experience when they click through. And that's it. You've successfully added social links to your Squarespace site. After saving your changes, your visitors will be able to connect with you on Instagram, Facebook, and X right from your website.